Hello, hello, hello. Hi, my cute cuties. How are you all? Ellaru happy ah safe ah irukringla? Yes or no? Audio, video, everything is perfect? Can I let me know in the chat box? Yes, hi, hello, good evening. Yes. Okay, perfect. Everybody is okay. So, இப்போ வந்து happy இருந்தா just give me a heart in the chat box. Happy na heart. Okay, and safe na thumbs up. Happy and safe na heart plus thumbs up. Can I get, I just wanted to know. எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்குறேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியணும். ஓகேவா? And likes மறக்காம போட்டுக்கோ. Okay. Likes வந்து class start ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி we need 50 likes. Thank you Jenny, thank you so much. Okay, likes, we need more likes guys. So இன்னும் 3 minutes we are going to start the session. 3 minutes தான் இருக்கு. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி we need to make it 50 likes and then we will start the session. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து we are going to we are going to focus on the PYQs. Okay வா? Everybody okay? So few people are just safe only, not happy. Huh? So 3 minutes we are going to start the session. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி friends க்கு share பண்ணிக்கோ, channel subscribe பண்ணிக்கோ. You will get good marks, da. Yes. So everybody, and the fear da ungaloda enemy. Adu da first you should understand. Okay va? Okay, fear irukkum, tension irukkum. Adu vandu student na exam time la tension irukano, fear irukano. And the madri ella team, and all sort of emotions should be there. Okay va? Adu da vandu rule. Okay, if let me just ask you, when you are having this much of tension, you have this much of fear, that question, okay, any difficult question is going to become easy, or okay, ungalku vandu ivlo tension irukalla, so I'm going to give you 5 marks. Board will give any additional marks? No, right? So அப்போ வந்து கூலா ஃபேஸ் பண்ணலாம், அவ்வளோதான். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இப்போ வந்து if you are just taking this much of tension, what will happen? எக்ஸாம் டைமில் உங்களுக்கு வந்து you cannot even remember a single word. அதனால அந்த tension, you just say tension to don't disturb me at this point. Physics எக்ஸாமுக்கு அப்புறம் you come and irritate me. Okay, till that I want some kind of I want some peace. Okay, I want some happiness. So go away. புரிஞ்சுதா? Okay. So let us go for the session. Are you guys ready? Ready now? Fire to go. And we need more likes. You people, the watching and likes, you can just see it. So selfish people are there, like induced EMF. Why? I wanted to know. ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? Are you all ready? Ready now? Fire. Hi Sanchana. No happiness till March 27th. Don't say like that. After some time you will miss all this kind of exams and everything. All the good moments, all the rushing days, everything you are going to forget. You will miss it. Okay, so let us go for the session. Yes, Fauzia, I don't know why these people are doing like this. Okay, so we are going for the first question. Okay, so I have taken questions from major, I have taken questions from the high weightage chapter. Okay, நாளைக்கு வந்து நம்ம session will be starting by 11. So அதுல வந்து each chapter க்கு quick revision இருக்கும். Okay, each chapter க்கு quick revision இருக்கும். அதுல வந்து we will be doing solving questions also for chapters. Okay, and in the session க்கு அப்புறம் you will be getting a session that all formula, laws, definitions, everything I have explained. Okay, and the PDF கூட you will be getting in the session. So அந்த session மறக்க மறக்காம அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோ. ஏன்னா இந்த லாஸ்ட் மினிட்ல ஐ மீன் குவிக்கா இஃப் யூ நீட் டு ரிமெம்பர் திஸ் திங் யூ நீட் அ ப்ரிசைஸ் நோட்ஸ். ஓகேவா? ஸோ அதனால இம்பார்ட்டன்டான எல்லா டீட்டெயில்ஸும் ஐ ஹவ் ஆடட் இன் த PDF. ஸோ இந்த செஷனுக்கு அப்புறம் யூ வில் பி கெட்டிங் தட் ஐ மீன் the session will be coming after this. So அதனால அந்த செஷன் மிஸ் பண்ணாம you should watch and also download the PDF in the first second itself. ஓகேவா? லைக்ஸ் மறக்காம பண்ணிக்கோ, ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப், எவ்ரிதிங். ஏன்னா பிசிக்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி இருக்கு, கெமிஸ்ட்ரிக்கு அப்புறம் பயாலஜி இருக்கு, அதுக்கப்புறம் நீட் எக்ஸாம் இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? Okay. First question. A body acquires a charge 8 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb. The mass of the body. Okay, 8 into 10 to the power minus 12. So, இப்போ வந்து you should tell me, இதுதான் வந்து charge. Okay, இதுதான் வந்து charge. So, now you have to tell me, இதோட mass increase ஆகுமா, decrease ஆகுமா. அதுதான் first question அதுதான். Decrease or increase. Mass வந்து increase ஆகுமா, decrease ஆகுமா. இதுதான் வந்து charge 8 into 10 to the power minus 12. Tell me guys. Tell me. So, in a few likes mattunda, you need to give more likes. So, if you can just tell me what will happen in the mass increase aguma, decrease aguma. Yeah, answer varla. Lag irka. Hey, how it will increase da? How it will increase? ஏன்னா இது வந்து பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ் பாடினா என்ன மீனிங்? பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ், அது நெகட்டிவிட்டிஸை ரிமூவ் பண்ணியாச்சு. கரெக்டா? நெகட்டிவ்ஸை ரிமூவ் பண்ணியாச்சு. அதுக்கு மீனிங் எலக்ட்ரான்ஸோட நம்பர் வந்து இட் இஸ் லெஸ். ஓகே, எலக்ட்ரான்ஸோட நம்பர் இஸ் லெஸ்னா என்ன மீனிங்? அந்த எலக்ட்ரான்ஸோட ஐ மீன் வாட் எவர் the body has given. ஓகே, அது வந்து அந்த மாஸ் வந்து ரெடியூஸ் ஆச்சு. கரெக்டா? So first thing you should understand is if it is a positive charge. Okay, if it is a positive charge na what will happen guys? Positive charge na அதோட mass வந்து கம்மியா இருக்கும். ஏன்னா positive charge na it loses some electron. அந்த electrons ஓட mass வந்து reduce ஆகும். புரிஞ்சுதா? So அப்படினா we can say it will decrease. அப்படினா we can go for this option A and B. You can completely ignore. Now you have only two options. So in the two option la we should find what is going to be the mass. Okay va? So adikaga what we can do? We know Q is equal to Ne. Okay va? So if you know the number of charges, we know the mass of the electron as well. So number of charges into the mass of the electron will give you how much it is reduced. So appadina you can just say that 8 into 10 to the power minus 12, which is equal to N, and I'm taking this E over here, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Purinjida? So now you can find N. So tell me what is going to be N? Everybody, what you got as N? Everybody tell me. Tell me what will happen here? What is going to be N? So we will be getting N as 5 into 10 to the power minus 7. So avlo number of electrons has already given. So அப்படினா 1 electron mass வந்து 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So into 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 will give you the reduced mass, or let's say the mass of the electrons which we have given to become more positive. Purinjida? So whenever you are getting a question, try to understand idhula vandu positive charge na meaning enna, adula vandu electrons vandu it is removed. Okay, electrons and the negativities are remove aaki. Okay, so and the remove appo vandu electrons oda number vandu less agum. If the number of electrons is less, adoda mass kuda less agum. So adanal we can say that mass reduced. Ipo vandu idu negative charge na what you will say? Now let me know. இப்போ வந்து இது வந்து -8 தான். So அப்படினா what will happen to the mass? The charge வந்து minus 8. Tell me what will happen to the mass. Tell me now. Tell me now what will happen to the mass. It will increase. Very good, Purva. Very good. Okay. So, இப்போ வந்து இதோட ஒரு meaning when more negativity na more number of electrons adula vandu mass adhigama irukum. When we are saying positive charge na electrons adu remove panniyachu, negatives remove panniyachu, adoda mass vandu reduce agum. So ipo vandu we can say that we will be getting option C as the answer, decreases by, when we are doing this we will be getting 4.55 into 10 to the power minus 23 kg. Adha nama answer. புரிஞ்சிடுச்சா everybody? So இப்போ வந்து we are going for the positive charge na அதோட meaning electrons ஓட number வந்து கம்மி. ஓகேவா? electrons ஓட number வந்து it is less. அதுதான் இந்த positive charge ஓட meaning. ஓகேவா? So if you know that a body ல வந்து அதுல வந்து equal positive and negative charges இருக்கும். So இதுல வந்து positive charge ஆச்சுனா இந்த electrons வந்து it is already gone. அப்ப வந்து positive charge அதிகமா இருக்கும். புரிஞ்சுதா? Okay, next one, show that Gauss's theorem is consistent with Coulomb's law. Using it, derive an expression for electric field due to a thin spherical shell of radius r at a point at a distance y from the center of the shell, such that. Okay, so in the Gauss's theorem, Gauss's application வந்து ரொம்ப important. In the starting I am telling you in the applications of Gauss's law, miss பண்ணாம you should study. All the derivations are important. அப்படினா we can just go for this question. So first one, it is asking for show that Gauss's theorem is consistent. Gauss's theorem, what is Gauss's theorem? What is Gauss's theorem? We know closed integral E dot ds, which is equal to the charge enclosed divided by epsilon naught. Correct? So ipo vanda I can just say that E into closed integral ds na what we can write? Yes, I am writing 4 pi r square, which is equal to q by epsilon naught. So appadina E will be coming as q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. So idudha vandu electric field. Okay va? Idudha vandu electric field. Ipo vandu I'm just going to, we know that E is equal to F by Q. Appadina F will be coming as QE. Appadina I'm just going to apply Q into, what is the E value? Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. So appadina I'm just rearranging it, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q divided by r square. Idudha vandu namma Coulomb's law. Correct? So using Gauss's theorem, we have derived the Coulomb's law. So upon the first part is over. Okay, we have shown that Gauss's theorem is consistent with the Coulomb's law. Purinjida everybody? Purinjida? Next one, we need to prove. Okay, we need to find the electric field due to a spherical shell, and it is given inside, outside and at the surface. Purinjida? Everybody? Okay, so ipo vandu we have the sphere over here. Okay, adoda radius vandu capital R da, idoda charge vandu Q da. Spherical shell na enna guys? Spherical shell na enna? Adoda inner, inside the surface la vandu mass illa na charge vandu always associated with the mass. Adinala we can say that in the mass, or let's say in the charge vandu what will happen? There is no charge inside the surface. Charge illana, we can say according to Gauss's theorem. Okay, according to Gauss's theorem, the electric field inside, adukkaga first we will be considering a Gaussian surface. So inside la I have considered a point and I got a Gaussian surface. Adoda radius da r. புரிஞ்சுதா? அதோட radius da r. அப்படினா I can just go for idhula vandu we are applying the Gauss's law, E dot ds, which is equal to the charge enclosed divided by epsilon naught. Appo we have just checked it, and the charge enclosed in this case will be coming as yena adu vandu hollow sphere. Okay, idella you need to write in every single sentence. Okay va? So idhila vandu charge enclosed, the charge enclosed vandu 0 va. ஏனா inside the hollow sphere mass இல்ல, charge வந்து mass இருந்தா மட்டும் இருக்கிற ஒரு property தான். ஓகேவா? So அதனால we can say right hand side becomes 0. Okay, now coming to the left hand side. Left hand side la electric field irukku, area irukku. Ana vandu in the area vandu it is not possible to become 0. Okay, idukku area irukku 4 pi r square irukku. Appo vandu we can just say that the only possibility is electric field is equal to 0. So inside is done. Now I'm going to consider a point over here which is outside. So adukkaga I'm considering a Gaussian surface including this point, and I'm taking this distance as r. Purinjudha everybody? So appadina we can say that ipo vandu we have r over here, adanal integral E dot ds which is equal to q enclosed divided by epsilon naught. In the electric field vandu and the surface la vandu it is going to be uniform. Appadina what we can say guys, inga vandu closed integral ds irukum, correct ah? Closed integral ds na it is nothing but the area of the Gaussian surface. In the left hand side la everything is related with the Gaussian surface. Appadina we can say it is nothing but 4 pi r square. The charge enclosed is q divided by epsilon naught. So E will be coming as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r square. Idudha vandu outside. Ipo vandu surface la irundirucha, what will happen? It will become kq divided by r square, and the r vandu nothing but the radius of the sphere. Purinjudha? Everybody understood? Yes or no? Very good. Okay, so ipo vandu we understood that. Now we are going for the next question. Ready na? Fire potukku in the chat box la fire potukku. If you are ready, give me a fire in the chat box, everybody. Ready? Yes. Sanjana is ready, Galaxy is ready, Darshu is ready. What about others? You people are not ready for physics problems. So we have 2 point charges. First one is 5 microcoulomb, second one is minus 1 microcoulomb, are placed at the points minus 3, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0 respectively. An external electric field E is equal to A by R square, where A is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 5 voltmeter is switched on in the region. Calculate the change in the electrostatic energy of the system due to electric field. Wow, lots of fires. I mean the chat is having a little lag. Adnala I'm not getting this fire on time. Okay, so ipo vandu idudha question. Okay, what is the question? We need to calculate the change in potential energy, electrostatic potential energy. So adu vandu external field la similar question we have done yesterday. So ipo vandu we have, this is the electric field we have. Adula vandu we have one charge over here, okay, another point over here. Okay, one is at 5 microcoulomb, value is 5 microcoulomb, another one is minus 1 microcoulomb. Purinjudha everybody? So appadina what is the potential energy of the system? How we will be finding the potential energy? If I'm keeping something in an external electric field, appadina and the system thoda potential energy enna? Inge irukra charge q1, inge irukra charge q2, the separation vandu r. Appadina and the total potential energy vandu q1 v1 plus q2 v2 plus k into q1 q2 divided by r square. Sorry, r. Potential energy. So k q1 q2 divided by r. Idudha vandu equation. Okay va? So ipo vandu it is asked for change in the electrostatic energy. Idu vandu final da. Okay, ipo vandu we should know what is the initial condition. 2 point charges were at 5, value vandu 5 microcoulomb and minus 1 microcoulomb. Adu vandu placed at minus 3 and plus 3. So anta moment la potential energy enna? Idu vandu final potential energy, idu vandu initial potential energy. Appadina I can say k into q1 q2 divided by r. Same only, correct ah? Just listen here. We have 2 charges q1 and q2. Initially electric field illa, இந்த 2 charges மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. So அந்த டைம்ல potential energy என்ன? We know K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Correct? Understood. Now what happened? In the two charges in the same separation, we are keeping inside an electric field. We are applied a electric field. Appadina what will happen? Okay, appadina what will happen? So adukkaga we know that in an external field na adula vandu Q1 V1 plus Q2 V2 plus K Q1 Q2 divided by R. Ipo vandu delta U na UF minus UI. So what is going to be that? What is going to be that? UF minus UI. So in the KQ, this two terms will be cancelled. Appadina we will be getting Q1 V1 plus Q2 V2. Purinjada? Everybody understood? Understood na like potuko and marakama share panniko, channel subscribe panniko. Okay, and Telegram la kuda you can join. Okay, adula vandu lots of schedules, updates, everything we are giving. புரிஞ்சுதா? Very good Sanjana, very good, very good, very good. Okay va? So இப்போ வந்து we are getting Q1 V1 plus Q2 V2. இப்போ வந்து again we have a confusion. Q1 Q2 we know. Q1 na 5 microcoulomb, Q2 na -1. இப்போ வந்து you should tell me how I will be finding this V1 and V2. Give me an idea about how we will be finding V1 and V2. How we will be finding V1 and V2. Adukkaga we have electric field, right? Can you just give me the relation electric field and potential relation? Can you give me the relation? Relation enna? Relation enna? Integral E dot dr which is equal to the potential. Correct? Correct? Yes or no? So ipo vandu we have to just apply the equation. Just apply. What will happen? What will happen? In the electric field vandu electric field oda value enna A by R square dr. Appadina this will be coming as A by R. Correct? Understood? Yes or no? Yes Alma, Sujit, very good. Yes, Nimodu, right? Am I pronouncing it wrong? Yes, Galaxy. So appadina we got V1 na A by R1, V2 na A by R2. Okay va? So ipo vandu you can just apply here Q1 V1 which means A by R1 plus Q2 A by R2. And R1 and R2 is already given. So you can just simply substitute n on the magnitude one the same da 3 da. So you can just take A and A by R outside. So inside you will be having only the charges. So can you find it for me now? Can you find me the answer for me now? Purinjida, how to do it? Okay. So idhula vandu electric field is given. Potential கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்காக we know the relation E is equal to minus dV by dr. அப்படினா dV or delta V கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்காக we can go for integral E dr. புரிஞ்சுதா? So அப்படினா we can just say இதுல வந்து இந்த distance வந்து same. So I'm just writing A divided by R into Q1 plus Q2. Now tell me guys, what is Q1? What is Q2? It is already given in the question. So substitute and find it. Tell me. Super, Gavarija. Okay, yes, so this value is nothing but in the A value na 3 into 10 to the power 5 divided by R na that is given in centimeter, so 3 into 10 to the power minus 2, Q1 Q2 na 5 minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. So at least you have studied something, right? So you are not supposed to start anything new. Yena vanta we have limited time. So whatever you have studied, be confident, or let's say try to become more confident in those topics. Don't start anything. Okay, va? Okay. Of course, we need to convert. Adha I have done 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. Got the answer, anybody? Yes, Sanjana. Perfect. Got this answer? 10 to the power minus 3 won't come, right? Here we will be having, this will be going up. So this will be coming as 5 plus 2, 7. And 10 to the power minus 6. 7 minus 6 will be coming as 10 only. And here 5 minus 1 will be 4. That's it. Okay. Next we are going for the next question. Consider 3 metal spherical shells A, B, C. Each of the radius R. Each shell is having concentric metal balls of radius R by 10. The spherical shells A, B, C are given charges plus 6Q, minus 4Q and 14Q. Okay. The inner metal balls are also given charges minus 2Q, plus 8Q and minus 10Q respectively. Compare the magnitude of the electric fields due to the shell A, B, C at a distance 3R from the center. Can you try this question? Can you try this question? Understand, as I mentioned, whenever we are getting a question, read the first line, then understand, go for the next line. If you are reading it completely, you will get confused. So segregate, make it into, single sentences and try to find it. Okay. Okay. So, now consider 3 metal spherical shell, correct? So, we have A here, we have B here, we have C here, correct? A yoda charge vandu plus 6Q, idu vandu minus 4Q and this is nothing but 14Q. Okay, va? Next vandu what they have mentioned, there is another one, okay, another one. Metallic sphere is inside, correct? Metallic balls is there. And idoda charge vandu minus 2Q, idoda charge vandu plus 8Q, and idoda charge vandu minus 10Q. Appadina, you are considering a point 3R from here, okay? For all the cases, 3R, okay? So, on the point electric field tha we should know. So, if you are just checking on it, medium one the same da, correct? 3 balls one the, it is on the same medium. And next one the distance from the center to the point, adu one the same da. In all these cases, and the distance one the 3R. Purinjuda? It is coming as 3R. Yes, correct. That's only correct. You can check it here, no? 3 into 10 to the power 5, that is what A. Okay, A. R one, it is 3 centimeters, so then I am writing 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. I have converted it. Q1 plus Q2 na 5 and minus 1 da. Both are having microcoulomb. So, microcoulomb 10 to the power minus 6 I have taken outside. So, I will be getting this one. 10 to the power minus 6 is here. Okay. So, now the distance kuda same da. Now, you need to know only the charge in the sphere. Okay, charge in the sphere. So, electric field due to a sphere is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. Now, you should know the charge in each of the cases. Appadina, you can say that inga plus 6Q irukku, inside minus 2 irukku. So, adanala idoda charge 4Q. In the case, minus 4Q irukku and inside 8Q irukku. Adanale again this is also coming as 4Q. Here it is 14Q, inside minus 10Q. So, appadina we can say that will be again coming as 4Q. Adanale charge kuda same da. So, we can say the electric field due to A, electric field due to B, electric field due to C will be same. Understood? Understood everybody? Got it, Sanjana, fine. Okay, understood everybody? Yes or no? Yes or no? Can I get a yes in the chat box, everybody? Can I get a yes in the chat box? Yes, Sanjana understood. Others? Yes, Radhika. Who is this? Mary Edit. I'm sorry. Yes, Jenny. Yes, perfect. Yes, Vimal. Very good. So, this is how we will be finding this question. Now, we are going for the next question. A charge minus 6 coulomb, okay, a 6 microcoulomb is placed at the center. Here we have the charge, okay, of a semicircle of radius 5. In the radius வந்து 5 centimeter. An equal and opposite charge is placed at point D plus Q. இங்க வந்து minus தான், அங்க we have kept it as plus Q plus 6, and that is at a distance 10 centimeter from B. அதனால I can say இந்த DC கூட 5 centimeter. ஏனா from B it is 10 centimeter. அதனால I can say from C it is going to be, ஏனா இது வந்து radius, அது வந்து 5, so 10 minus 5, ZD is going to be 5. A charge plus 5 microcoulomb is moved from point C to point A along the circumference of the semicircle. அப்படினா what is the work done? What is the work done? So now you should tell me what is the equation for the work done. What is going to be the equation for work done? What is going to be the equation for work done? Work done. What is going to be the equation? Work done வந்து Q into delta V. So Q வந்து we know which charge we are taking. That is nothing but 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into delta V na enna? Final potential வந்து VA minus initial வந்து VC. So இதுதான் வந்து we need to find. Very good, very good, very good. Okay va? Okay va? Understood? Yes, charge into the potential difference. அப்படினா W is equal to Q into delta V. Q வந்து 5 into which charge we are taking. அதுதான் வந்து Q. அப்படினா 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. இப்போ வந்து we should find what is VA. We should find what is VC. Okay va? So இப்போ வந்து I am targeting on VC. Can you tell me what is going to be the potential at VC? Can you tell me what is VC? அது வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸியான thing தான். Last minute, I mean, till this, if you haven't even read NCERT, in the last one day, you cannot complete it. That's the fact. Okay. So if you feel like you can go for it. Okay, va? In the video, I don't even know. Okay, we have to do few questions. Okay, I'm targeting by 8 we can finish this. Yes, very good. Idu vandu 0. Why at the potential at C is 0? So ipo vandu I'm just checking on, this is the plus Q, okay, plus 6 microcoulomb. Idu vandu minus 6 microcoulomb, okay va? And the distance vandu 10 centimeter. Ipo vandu in the C point na exactly at the center. Okay, idu vandu positive, idu vandu negative. அப்படினா இந்த point C ல potential na என்ன ஆகும்? Potential na என்ன ஆகும்? It is nothing but due to this plus Q plus due to the minus 6 charge. புரிஞ்சுதா? Yes, very good Sanjana, very good. Okay வா? மறக்காம எல்லாருமே like பண்ணிக்கோ, share பண்ணிக்கோ, subscribe பண்ணிக்கோ. Okay வா? So இப்போ வந்து I'm just checking what is the potential due to this one. What is going to be that? What is going to be that? It is nothing but K into Q வந்து 6 microcoulomb divided by distance வந்து 5 centimeter. Okay. And inga வந்து charge வந்து negative தா. So I will be going for 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. அப்படினா we can say at the point C, இந்த potential வந்து 0. Okay. So இதுதான் வந்து arrangement. இங்க minus 6 இருக்கு, இங்க plus 6 இருக்கு. Okay வா? So இப்போ வந்து I'm just going to check the potential at the center point. Okay. இங்க இருக்கிற potential தான் I wanted to know. Okay. இங்க இருக்கிற potential தான் I wanted to know. Potential due to a point charge ஓட equation என்ன? Potential due to a point charge ஓட equation என்ன? Can you just give me the answer? Okay. Potential ஓட, I mean point charge ஓட potential due to a point charge. அது வந்து 𝐾𝐿/R. Okay வா? So இங்க இருக்கிறது ஒரு point charge தான், இங்க இருக்கிறது ஒரு point charge தான். So இந்த two charges வந்து it will go, contribute here. Correct? So இங்க இருக்கிறது plus Q, distance வந்து 5. இங்க இருக்கிறது minus 6, distance வந்து 5. So அப்படினா இந்த potential வந்து 0 ஆக போற. Now we are going for potential at A. Potential at A. So again on the point A ilum we can say that there will be the contribution due to plus 6 charge and minus 6 charge. அப்படினா we are going to write this. Okay. So இப்போ வந்து I just wanted to know K into Q na 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by what is the distance? What is the distance between D and A? Can you give me the answer? D and A distance. ஏனா D ல தான் இந்த 6 இருக்கிறது and we need to know the potential at A. Can you do it? Can you tell me? Yes, very good Radhika. It will be coming as 15 into 10 to the power minus 2. இப்போ வந்து I am going for minus 6. So அதனால K into 10 to the power minus 6. 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. What is the distance BA? Can you give me the answer? What is BA? Very good, very good, very good. Very good. Very good. So what is going to be? What is going to be BA? Tell me. BA வந்து nothing but 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. So இப்போ வந்து we are just taking the common things outside. 9 into 10 to the power 9, 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, and I'm taking 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 outside. அப்படினா what we have after this? 1 by 3 minus 1. So இதுதான் வந்து we have inside the bracket. Now can you solve and can you tell me what is going to be the value VA? VC is already 0, we understood. Now you should tell me what is the value VA? What is the value VA? VA. So in the question la வந்து ரொம்ப சிம்பிளான question தான். So we finally we were going for the potential at this point. அதுக்காக இந்த plus 6 and minus 6 will contribute over there. So அதனால I have found what is going to be the potential due to minus 6q at this point, and this is again another point charge. அதனால I can say that this will be 15 centimeter away. That will also contribute to the point. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Please let me know the answer. Everybody do the calculation. Join the Telegram, Hariprasad. You will get all the notifications, everything over there. Okay, wow. Yes, very good, very good. So we will be getting 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 volt as the potential. Next one you should apply here. Okay, work done na 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 5. Done. Problem is sorted. Okay, wow. Minus 5, I don't think it will be there. Plus 5 only. This 2 will be coming up. So this will be 11. 11 minus 6 one there. We will be getting, yeah. So this will be 7.2 into 10 to the power plus 5. Okay. So yes, very good. So very good. So we will be getting the potential as 3.6 joule. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Negative charge irukum. Very good. Work done will be 3.6 joules. Next one, we are going for the another question. Two identical point charges are placed at the two vertices of an AB. Okay, equilateral triangle of side L. The magnitude of electric field at the third vectors P is E. If a hollow conducting sphere of radius L by 4 is placed at P, the magnitude of the electric field at point P now becomes. Think, you will get it. Very simple question, very simple question. Yes, you guys are getting it. Superb. Very good. So, இப்போ வந்து we know that and the P point na it is inside the hollow conducting sphere. அப்படினா அங்க electric field என்ன இருக்கும்? 0. Very good. So, இப்போ வந்து you can just read this part, case study. Okay, அதுக்கப்புறம் we can just do this question. I have kept in individual slides. So, now you read this. We have a parallel plate capacitor consisting of two conducting plates kept generally parallel to each other at a distance d. When the capacitor is charged, the charge resides on the inner surface of the plate and an electric field is set up between them. Thus, electrostatic energy is stored in the capacitor. The figure shows three large square metallic plates, each of side L, held parallel and equidistant from each other. The space between P1 and P2 and P2 and P3 is completely filled with mica sheets, okay, of dielectric constant K. The plate P2 is connected to point A and another plate P1 and P3 is connected with B. Now, a point A is maintained at the positive terminal with respect to B, and the potential difference between A and B is V. Just understand this part, then we can go for the question. Take some time, you will get it. Okay, now let us go for the questions. Okay. The capacitance of the system between A and B will be capacitance. So, if you are just checking on it, I'm just going to redraw this. Okay. So, idhula vanda 3 plates da irukku. 3 plates na adula 2 capacitors irukku. Okay va? In the plate vanda, in the 2 surface vanda, it will be shared with the the other 2 plates. Okay va? So, appadina I'm just writing. This is the terminal A, and the terminal A la I'm just going for this 2 plates. In the 2 plates, it is representing 1, ana vanda it is used for P1 side as well as it is used for P3. Okay va? So idu da vanda namma P2. Okay, now we have P1 over here, we have P3 over here. Appadina this is connected, in the P1 and P3 is connected with the terminal B. So now you understood, this is actually a parallel connection. Now answer this, the capacitance of the system between A and B will be, can you give me the answer? All your question we have added, okay. You should tell me what is going to be the capacitance. We understood it is parallel connection. Okay, it is a parallel connection. Appadina you should tell me. And idukulla dielectric constant K irukku. Okay va? So capacitance vanda enna agum? Capacitance vanda it will be A epsilon naught K divided by the distance of separation D. Adu vanda single. Okay. Next vanda we know this is in parallel. Appadina C is equal to C1 plus C2. Appadina I can go for 2 into A epsilon naught K divided by 2. If you are just checking on the options, that option is not there. Okay va? Ana in the question let us given the side of the parallel plate is L. Appadina I'm just rewriting area, that is A L square epsilon naught K divided by D. So that is going to be the answer. 2K epsilon naught L square divided by D. Very good, Darshu, Radhika, superb. Understood, yes or no? Marakama like pannik everybody. Also subscribe the channel. The upcoming sessions are going to be very crucial. And nalayki vanda mega marathon tha, we will be starting by 11. Quick revisions irukum. Few questions also we will solve. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now let us go for the second question. The charge on the plate P1 is. The charge on the plate P1 is. Can you find the charge, guys? Can you find the charge? Charge order equation enna? Q will be C1 into V. Can you find it? Because C1 na enna we know it. Okay, C1 na enna? Epsilon naught K A divided by D. So appadina you can just go for the equation. Sorry. Q is equal to C1 into V. Which option will be coming? Which option will come? எல்லாமே I mean everything is going to be well good, don't worry. So இப்போ வந்து C na epsilon naught L square A, instead of A we have given L square K divided by D into V. So adhanala we can say option B is going to be the answer. Now going further, the electric field in the region between P1 and P2. Electric field order relation enna? Electric field and potential relation enna? Electric field and potential. Tell me. Electric field and potential order relation. If you know it, you can just answer. Very good. V by D. So the answer will be option A. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Okay, super. Very good. Next one, the separation between the plates of same area of the parallel plate air capacitor having a capacitance equal to the system will be. Very simple question da. Okay va? Ipa vanda we know what is the capacitance. இப்போ வந்து what they are asking, இப்போ வந்து அந்த dielectric medium இல்லைனா in the same capacitance கிடைக்கிறதுக்காக how much should be the distance between the plates? Can you find it? மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணிக்கோ. Okay, likes as I mentioned, it is an energy for me, அந்த energy கிடைக்கணும். Okay வா? Okay, so இன்னும் few likes தான் we need for 100. So அது வந்து I mean you can do it. Okay, check it. So capacitance வந்து இப்போ என்ன we know it. Okay, and if it is in air, what is going to be the capacitance, and the distance you can put it as x. Find x. That is enough. That will give you the answer. இது வந்து அவ்வளவு difficult ஆன question கிடையாது. So இப்போ வந்து you just need to equate. அவ்வளோதான். Check it. We need to get x. Perfect. So we can just say that this will be KL square divided by D will be equal to epsilon naught L square divided by X. L square will be gone. Epsilon naught will be gone. So அப்படினா we can say that in the X வந்து D divided by 2K. அப்படினா we can go for option C. Yes, Yadish, right? Nitish, perfect. Yes, Darshu, very good. So now can we go for the next question? Before the next question, can I get some fire in the chat box? Can I get little bit more energy in the chat box? I want little bit more energy. From where I'll get it? Yes, Anush, Radhika, Darshu, Alok, right? Yes, Sanjana. Yes, Meredith, right? Yes. Nom. Sujit, Yadesh, very good. So now we are going for the next question. If the source of the potential difference applied between A and B is removed, okay, potential difference removed. A and B are connected by a conducting wire, the net charge on the system will be. Again, think and give me the answer. இது வந்து ஈஸியான question தான். Think, you will get it. Think about the question. Initially potential difference இருந்துருச்சு, அந்த டைம்ல charges will flow. Okay வா? இப்போ வந்து what happened? We have removed the potential difference. அப்படினா இந்த charges வந்து constant ஆகும். Okay வா? When there is a battery, potential difference will be constant, Q will be varying. When we remove the battery, Q வந்து constant ஆ இருக்கும். Okay வா? Perfect, perfect. Yes, Nitish, Alok, Radhika, very good. Darshu, it will be 0. Yeah, what is the reason? Yeah, na, in the charge, one plate plus Q, na, in the plate minus Q. Okay, now we have connected with the connecting wire. So the charges will flow till the potential remains same. So and the potential will be remains, which means in the equal positive charge, in the equal negative charges. So net charge 0 agapora. Very good, perfect. Let us go for next question. A parallel plate capacitor is charged by an AC source. Show that the sum of the conduction current and the displacement current has the same value at all the points in the circuit. Okay, wow. So now you should tell me what is the displacement current. Okay, displacement current will be in between the conduction plate, in the conductor plates, right? So adoda value epsilon naught into d phi e divided by dt. Okay, wow. So in between the conducting plates la and the current id mattunda and the conduction current oda value 0. Ana outside the conducting plate enna in the conduction current mattunda irukku. Adanala always the total current, if you are checking, total current always it is going to be same. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, so always IC will be equal to IQ, ID, sorry, IC. In a case above, Kirchhoff first law valid at each plate of the capacitor. Kirchhoff law, of course, yes. Yena Kirchhoff law na enna? Yes, the current entering and leaving supposed to be same, correct? Correct. So we can say that IC will be always equal to ID. Done. Okay. Very good, student 1, 2. Okay. Yes, we need more likes. We need more likes. Next question we will do after once we reach 100. Then only we are going for the next question. Let's see who all are going for this 100 likes. We should get more likes. 100 likes na avlo energy. 2 times energy. Nobody is ready. Yes, 3 more to go. I don't know why you people are becoming conjuice in terms of like. I'm getting lots of hearts here. Thank you. Yes, Anush. Okay. So now let us go for this question. Okay, wow. Let us go for this question. Yes, Alok. One second. Okay. Now we are going for this question. The electric field in a region is given by E is equal to 40x I cap Newton per Coulomb. Find the amount of work done in taking a unit positive charge from 0, 3 meter to 0.5 meter, 0. Can you find this question? Okay, what we need to find? We need to find the work done. So again, work done equation enna? Work done equation enna? Work done, we can write it as integral F dot dr. Correct? F na enna? QE dr. It is clearly mentioned unit positive charge. Appadina Q 1. Appadina we can go for EDR. Can you do EDR? EDR. And you should tell me the limit also. In this case, what will be the limit? That you guys have to tell. Check the question and tell me what is going to be the limits. Electric field X direction la. So appadina the limits enna agum? Limits oda value enna? Limits oda value. Tell me. Limits oda value. Yes, very good. 0 to 5. Okay. So now you can go for the integration. Okay. 0 to 4. How 0 to 4? This is 5 only. So now you can just write 40x dx 0 to 5. So this will be coming as 40 divided by 2 x square 0 to 5. So 20 into 25. Done? Yes, Radish, Emmanuel. Yes, very good. No. Alok, yes, yes, perfect, perfect, perfect. So now let us go for the next question. Next நம்ம target வந்து 150 likes, okay va? Okay, before we are completing 1 hour, we need 150 likes, okay va? Okay va? Yes or no? Tell me in the chat box, okay? Yes or no? Okay, now we are going for the second question. A charge Q is distributed over two concentric hollow spheres of radii r and r such that their surface charge densities are equal, the electric field and the potential. Okay. So now read the question. Read the question. Understand each line. And whatever you understood, you write, okay? That will leads to get the answer. I will give 1 minute of time. I'll give 1 minute of time. Think and tell me. Think and tell me. (40/2). Unit missing. Unit வந்து joule. Okay, work done da. Next, in the 40/2 na integral x dx na, it will be coming as x square by 2. So on the 2 I have shifted over here, that's it. Okay. So இப்போ வந்து இந்த questionல Q is distributed over two concentric hollow sphere of radii r and capital R such that their surface charge densities are equal. So surface charge density na enna guys? Sigma, which is equal to Q by A. So இப்போ வந்து I can say that sigma which is equal to Q divided by 4 pi r square. Correcta? Correcta? So I can just say that sigma into 4 pi r square will be coming as Q1. Okay. And sigma into 4 pi r square will be coming as Q2. Yes or no? Yes, very good Darshu, very good, very good, very good. Okay. Okay, yes, yes, perfect. So, இப்போ வந்து we understood due to the surface charge densities are same, I can say that sigma into 4 pi r square will be coming as the charge Q1 and sigma into 4 pi r square will be coming as charge Q2. புரிஞ்சுதா? இப்போ வந்து what is the question? You need to find the electric field. So, how we will be finding the electric field? In the electric field, hollow sphere da, correcta? Correcta? So, இப்போ வந்து இந்த electric field வந்து what is going to be the value? Yes, Yadish has already given the value. It is coming as 0. Now, we have to go for the potential. So, now can you go for the potential? Can you find the potential? We know what is Q1. We know what is Q2. Total charge வந்து in the surface charge density, in terms of surface charge density, you can write. Total charge Q will be equal to Q1 plus Q2. Okay va? Okay va? Yes, yes, electric field வந்து 0. ஆனா இப்போ வந்து we need the potential. Potential. In the last 24 hours, how you need to prepare your classes. Adada vantu we are explaining. Okay, va? Okay, nothing else. So, last 24 hours, how you are preparing, that will be completely. And the preparation, the exam result depends upon that preparation. Adanala I have made that video. It is not a lecture. Lecture vandu you will be getting after this session, you will get it. Purinjada? Okay. Yes, 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 yes. So in the session hardly 2 to 3 hours da. Okay. So ipo time ennachu 6 o'clock. By 8 we will finish. Got it, Nakul? Okay, so again coming back to the question, charge Q is distributed over two concentric holospheres, radii R and R, such that their surface charge densities are equal. Surface charge density we got it, and we know Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 da. So appadina we can say sigma 4 pi R square plus 4 pi R square idu da total charge. Correcta? So ipo you should know the potential. So idu concentric sphere. Correcta? Concentric sphere. So appadina this sphere, let us say in the distance small r, idoda radius capital R. Okay va? Okay va? So ipo we should know the potential, and the potential it is nothing but whatever be the charges over here, and here it is Q2. Appadina it will be coming as KQ1 divided by Yena in the sphere will be giving, okay, giving a total of nothing but R plus in the sphere KQ2 divided by R. So appadina now you can just give the values, okay, in the Q1 and Q2 value you can just replace, done. Okay. Purinjida? Because Q1 we have already found, Q2 we have already found, so you can just go for it. Now let us go for the question. Next question. An ammeter connected in series in an AC circuit reads 10 ampere, the maximum value of current at any instant in the circuit. Maximum value of current, how we will be finding it? VRMS we got it, correct? Yes or no? VRMS we got it. So appadina in the maximum current, okay, what is going to be that? Check again, check again. Check again. Why so much of confusion? So much of confusion. An ammeter reads, ammeter reading RMS value. Ammeter reading RMS value da. Okay. Even if it is not mentioned, you should understand. Appadina, yes, Darshu, correct answer. Okay. So appadina, we need to know the peak value or maximum value. What is the relation, guys? What is the relation? IRMS, which is equal to I0 divided by root 2. Inga we know this is 10. So appadina I0 divided by root 2. So now tell me what is going to be I0. Very good, very good, very good, very good. So the answer 10 root 2. In the given figure, three identical bulbs PQS are connected. Compare the brightness of P and Q with that bulb of S when K is closed. Simple question tha. Yes, Sanjana. Yes, Sanjana. Yes, Sri, Anush, and Radhika, Yatish, Galaxy, Alok, and Thiru, right? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good, very good. So, ipo you can just solve this question. Yes, very good, Yadish. Yes, yes, bright arkum. Yena, we know that when this key is closed, what will happen? What will happen? In the P and Q parallel. Okay. Appadina in the current split agum. Okay, current split agum. Appadina and the power loss or and the what is it? The brightness thing reduce agum comparing with, yes, very good, very good. P and Q in parallel. So definitely maximum current, or let's say the current is going flowing in more in S. So we can say that power I square arda. So we will be getting S as more brighter. Now, we have two cells of EMF 10 volt each, two resistors 20 ohm and 10 ohm, and bulb B of 10 ohm resistance are connected together as shown in the figure. Find the current that flows through the bulb. So, we need to know the current which is passing through the the bulb 10 ohm. Can you find it? Can you find it? Can you find it? Yes, yes, yes. How we will be finding it? Tell me. Tell me. Yes, yes, yes. It will be same if it is in series. Okay. Yes, Radhika, we will be using Kirchhoff law. So right now, I'm just deciding my current flow. Correct? So current will reach here and it will split and it will go like this. Okay, va? So ipo vandu I'm going to give names for this current. So let us say idu vandu I. Okay, and I'm telling the current which is flowing through the bulb is small I. Appadina the current here which is flowing is coming as I minus I. இப்போ வந்து I'm going to go for the first loop 20 ohm இருக்கு and here we have the 10 ohm current ஓட direction வந்து இப்படிதான் and I'm choosing clockwise அப்படினா இது வந்து 10 volt இது வந்து 20 இது வந்து 10 அப்படினா you should tell me what is going to be the equation இப்போ வந்து இது வந்து lower potential இருந்து higher potential அப்படினா 10 will be positive. Okay va? So next வந்து this is in the same direction அப்படினா minus I into இதில் இருக்கிற currentனா I. Okay, இது வந்து small I. So I into 20 plus I into 10 which is equal to 0. அப்படினா I can say that 10 is equal to, okay, இது வந்து again minus தான். Okay, because this is again in the same direction. Correct? புரிஞ்சுதா? Okay, so இப்போ வந்து okay, so இப்போ வந்து 10 minus 20I minus I into small I. ஏனா இந்த current which is passing through the bulb is small I. அப்படினா we can say that I into 10. Now I'm rewriting 20I plus 10I which is equal to 10. இப்போ வந்து I'm going to divide with 10. அப்படினா 1 will be equal to 2I plus I. So இதுதான் வந்து நம்ம first equation. And same I'm going to do for the second circuit. Second circuitல இப்படிதான் இந்த circuit. Direction of current வந்து இப்படிதான். Okay va? So இப்போ வந்து this is 10, this is 10, this is also 10. இந்த current வந்து I minus I, இது வந்து I. இப்போ வந்து again I'm going for clockwise direction. So அதனால I can say again lower to higher. So 10 will be positive. இது வந்து opposite directionல தான் current வருது. Whatever be the direction we have taken, அது வந்து இந்த directionல and we are going in this flow. அப்படினா I can say plus 10I minus I minus I into 10 which is equal to 0. இப்போ வந்து we are going to expand this. So 10 plus 10I minus 10I plus 10I which is equal to 0. Correct? So இது வந்து 10, இது வந்து 10. So we will be getting this. அப்படினா 10 plus 10I இருக்கு here also இருக்கு 20I minus 10I which is equal to 0. So now I'm writing 10 is equal to 10I minus 20I. So அப்படினா I'm just going to divide with 10. So 1 is equal to I minus 2I. இதுதான் வந்து நம்ம second equation. Till this everybody understood? Please let me know in the chat box. In the first two cases, okay, we are applying the junction rule. Everybody got it? Yes or no? Yes or no? புரிஞ்சுதா? Till this everybody understood? ஏனா Kirchhoff lawல இருந்து many times repeatedா question கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கா. ஓகேவா? So இப்போ வந்து we have considered a loop over here. அதுல வந்து இது வந்து lower to higher. So அதனால தான் I have kept it as 10. இங்க வந்து it is in the same direction of current flow. அதனால இது வந்து negative. So அதுதான் I into 20. இது வந்து again in the same direction minus I10. We will be getting this relation. புரிஞ்சுதா? இப்போ வந்து we are going for the second loop. Second loopல என்ன? இது வந்து negative to or lower potential to higher potential. அப்படினா I can say that will be again plus 10. And I'm taking this direction. ஆனா வந்து the direction of current வந்து opposite. அதனால I'm just writing it as plus 10I. Next வந்து இது வந்து same directionல இருக்கு. இது வந்து clockwise தான். இந்த direction of current வந்து clockwise தான். அதனால minus I into 10. ஏனா அந்த current இந்த branchல இருக்கிற currentனா I minus I. So அப்படினா I'm just expanding it 10 plus 10I. இது வந்து 10 into I minus 10I, minus minus will become plus, so plus 10I which is equal to 0, so 10 plus, in the 10I's will be 20I, minus 10I will be 0, so 10 will be equal to plus 10I minus 20I, so 1 will be equal to I minus 2I. So இப்போ வந்து what we need to find the small I. So அதனால I just wanted to remove the capital I. So அதுக்காக I'm just doing one thing, equation 2 into 2. ஏன்னா இங்க ஒரு 2I இருக்கு, கரெக்டா? So இப்போ வந்து what happened? Okay, let's wait. So இப்போ வந்து we will be getting 2 which is equal to 2I minus 4I. புரிஞ்சுதா? இப்போ வந்து இது equation number 3. Okay, now we will focus on 1 and 3. புரிஞ்சுதா? 1 and 3 only. So to remove 2I, what I wanted to do, I'm going to do one thing, 3 minus 1. Okay, so 3 na enna, in the left hand side la 2 irukku, 2 minus 1. Okay, next வந்து 2I minus 4I, okay va, minus 2I plus I. Sorry, it is coming as minus I. So அப்படினா we will be, this 2I will be get cancelled, இது வந்து 1 and we will be getting minus 5I. So அப்படினா we can say that 1 by 5 which is equal to I, and in the negative representing that current is flowing from in the opposite direction. நம்ம decide பண்ண direction இல்ல, it is flowing in the opposite direction. Okay, answer வந்து 1 by 5. The current flowing through the circuit will be 1 by 5. Yes, Anush, got it? Minus 1 ella sanjana, this is how you should do. புரிஞ்சுதா? Each and every step should be correct. ஏன்னா இதுக்கு வந்து usually high weightage தான். Okay, usually வந்து high weightage தான். அதனால வந்து you cannot even make a single mistake in any of the steps. Okay, negative வந்து the direction we have taken was exactly opposite. அதனால தான் இந்த negative. Okay, நிதானமா, you can take time, do few more questions, அதுக்குள்ள you will be getting the confidence, Anjana, don't worry. Okay va, let us go for the next question. Are you guys ready? Yes or no? Yes na fire போடுங்க இந்த chat box ல. Yes na fire. Yes na fire. Radhika, maybe you might have done very small mistakes only, sign while you are choosing the sign. No, so you do one thing, after the session you just copy this, again you just compare what you have done and what is the mistake. Okay, and the mistake புரிஞ்சிருக்கணும், இல்லனா எக்ஸாமுக்கு வந்து you cannot perform. அதனால தான் சொல்றேன், எப்பவுமே the thing is like, okay, once you get the answer, you saw the answer, okay va, I understood. Okay va, அதனால தான் அதுதான் மேஜரா ப்ராப்ளம் வருது. So once you look at this, okay, and just go through it, understand your mistake, எங்க you have made the mistake. Okay, so first ல இருந்து இந்த Kirchhoff law apply பண்ணும்போது only thing you should check is, first you can choose the current direction. It is not necessary that it's supposed to be like the exact direction, you can choose it. Okay, so adha first I have done. Even if you want, you can just start from anywhere, it is not at all a problem. Okay, I have done that. Adikapram, if there is a current splitting, I have done the splitting also. In the branch la irukradha I, in the left is coming as I minus I. So next one you will be using the loop rule. எப்பவுமே கரண்டோட சேம் டைரக்ஷன்ல இருந்தா நெகட்டிவ், ஆப்போசிட்டா இருந்தா பாசிட்டிவ். அதுதான், that is the thing you should check. Okay, formula nothing da, the potential oda equation enna, inga oru potential irukku, direct I have applied. Inga vanda resistance, the potential drop vanda adula irukra current into the resistance, again here current into resistance, avlodha. Okay, so next question, derive an expression for the resistivity of a conductor in terms of number, density of free electrons and relaxation type. How we will start, guys? Resistivity in terms of, you just try, don't go back and check your notebook. Can you just relate? Can you just go for the equation? Do you remember the equation? How we will be starting it? I is equal to NEAVD. Correct? Then I by A. I'm taking A over here. So NE will be there. VD na enna? EE by M into tau. And left hand side la idu vandu J. I by A na J. Okay, very good, very good, very good. You people are getting it, right? Yes, perfect. So, appadina we can just write NE square E by M into tau. Correct? Okay. So, இப்போ வந்து we can just say that இதுதான் வந்து இந்த NE square M tau. அதுதான் வந்து sigma. அப்படினா I can just write J is equal to sigma E. அப்படினா sigma na 1 by rho tha. So, அதனால we can say rho will be equal to M by NE square tau. Okay va? Okay va? Okay. Next one, we have a figure here. You should find what is the charge. Okay, current time graph na how we will be finding the charge. Current electricity chapter le we have discussed it. Okay, if we have a charge, current and time graph na how we will be finding the charge? Area under the curve. Okay, va? Area under the curve. Okay, dual nature and everything we have already taken. So if you want, you can just go back and you can go watch the video. Okay, illana difficult in the last one day la difficult nu solradhu adu avlo easy ana vishayam kedaiyadu. Okay, so you should watch the lecture if you have time, if you have done with all the things. Still, if you haven't even touched the chapter, I won't prefer you to touch it. Okay, so இப்போ வந்து we should yes area under the graph. Yes, student 1 2 Darshu, very good. Okay, so இப்போ வந்து we have got the charges and now you should find the area. Okay, so இதோட area வந்து length into breadth, இதோட வந்து half BH. Can you get the answer for me now? Can you do the answers now? And focus on likes. Okay, our target is 150, a very small target. Okay, and the target achieve பண்றதுக்கு அவ்ளோ time it is not required. Okay, yes Mr. TK, yes. So inga vandu it is going to be 2 into 1. Correct? In the length vandu 2 and here it will be coming as 2 minus 1. So here it will 2 and here it will be half into base vandu 2, h vandu 1.5. And always whenever you are getting such graph kind of questions, please check with the scale. Okay, what is the exact reading? Okay va? Okay, so இப்போ வந்து two batteries of EMF 3V and 6V and internal resistance 0.2, 0.4 are connected in parallel. This combination is connected to a 4 ohm resistor. Find equivalent EMF. What is the equation for equivalent EMF? Do you guys remember? Yes or no? Equivalent EMF. Can you substitute and can you find the answer? You can attend tomorrow's session. We will when we are going for quick revision for all the chapters. Okay. So everybody just substitute the values because all the values are directly given. So now it is your time. Do the calculation and let me know the answer in the chat box. Please let me know in the chat box, everybody. Yes, substitute. What is going to be that? 3 into 0.2 plus 6 into 0.4 divided by 0.2 plus 0.4. Okay, இதுதான் வந்து equivalent EMF. Find it, everybody. Yes, no. Solve space, just check it again. It will be coming as 4. Okay, it will be coming as 4. Now it is the time for equivalent internal resistance. R equivalent na R1 plus R2, R1 R2 R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Yes, yes, very good, very good. 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer. Very good, perfect. So now it is the turn for the internal resistance, equivalent internal resistance. Equivalent internal resistance. All the values are there. 0.2 into 0.4 divided by 0.2 plus 0.4. Check it again. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, everybody is getting 4 by 3. So the answer will be coming as 4 by 3. Okay. 2 by 15 also getting. So let us do. So yeah. Okay, 2 by 15, 2 by 15 will come. Okay, now let us go for the 0.08. Okay, so now you can go for the third question, the current drawn from the combination. What is going to be that? What is going to be that? The current drawn, I will be equal to the equivalent EMF divided by R equivalent, and there is an external resistance, so plus R. So we have equivalent EMF, we have R equivalent, we have this external resistance also. Now you can apply. Go for it. That's your turn. Check, check, check. 40. Check it, Sanjana. So 2 by 15 will be, it is a very small value, so it will be approximately coming as 1. Okay, yeah, now 4 plus a very small value, it is not. You have to do the calculation properly, okay, but the value will be approximately 1. Okay. Okay, so now we are moving on to the next part. Define the term drift velocity of conduction electrons in a conductor. What is drift velocity? If we are applying, okay, if we are applying an external electric field, the electrons will get an energy, or let's say the electrons will move in a straight or forward direction with the velocity, and the velocity yes, Sanjana, okay, fine. Nitish, it is correct. It will be coming around 0.91. Okay, that is going to be the ratio. Yes, 0.9 something. Correct, student. Okay. So, in the drift velocity, when we apply electric field, electrons will move forward direction, and the velocity the drift velocity. Okay, wow. So, adoda range 10 to the power minus 3 meter per second. A conductor of length L, area of cross section A, is connected across an ideal battery of EMF V. Derive the formula for the current density in terms of relaxation time. Okay, we already did it. I hope it is not required again. We don't need to do it. Okay, so we know that I is equal to NEAVD, and the same equation you can use it here and you can do it. A vertically held bar magnet is dropped along the axis of a copper ring having a cut as shown in the diagram. The acceleration of the falling magnet is, can you find it? Drift velocity na, we have a conductor. This is the conductor. Okay, so in the conductor la free electrons irukkum, and the free electrons enna agum, adu vandu random motion la da irukke. Appadina, I'm going to give an external electric field. I'm going to apply electric field. And the electric field kadakkumbodhu, in the electrons ellame, it will move in the forward direction. Okay, it will move in the forward direction. It will gain some energy. It will gain some energy, and due to that it will get an average, it will get a velocity. And the velocity the in the drift velocity. Okay, drift velocity na the velocity when we apply electric field for a conductor, electrons will get some velocity and the velocity drift velocity. A vertically held bar magnet is dropped along the axis of a copper ring having a cut as shown in the diagram. The acceleration of the falling magnet. So now you can check it. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Get me the answers. Wow. Okay. So, in the bar magnet is falling down and right now the copper, we have a copper ring. Okay. So, on the copper ring current or anything is not there. So, adinala we can just say that it will be moving with G. Okay. Next one, the straight conductor is carrying a current of 2 ampere in plus x direction along it. A uniform magnetic field B is there, switch is on, and in the region the force acting on 10 centimeter length of the conductor is. We need to find the force. Force order equation anna? Force order equation anna? Tell me what is going to be the force order equation? I L cross B. Correct? Force the I into L cross B. So, appadina substitute the values and find it. That's it. Simple. Very simple question. Yes, bill. Bill sin theta. Okay. So, it is given in the vector form. So, you have to find L cross B first. Then you have to multiply it with I. Do the calculation, everybody. Do the calculation, everybody. So, first one, I'm going to find L cross B. Okay, wow. L cross B. So, aduvanta we will be going for the determinant form I, J, K. So, appadina we have the length is given 10 centimeter, correct? Okay, 10 centimeter. So, length order direction will be considered as the same direction of current. So, adinala current in the positive direction da. So, I can just go for 0.1. Then J, K terms is not there, 0, 0. Ipa we have 0.6 here, 0.8 here, and here we have 0. So, appadina now we are going for it. I into what will happen? 0 minus 0 minus J cap. Okay, ipa we are just removing this. Appadina 0 minus J is completely gone. So 0 minus 0. Correct. J is gone. 0.1 into sorry. J and K is given. Yes. So here it is I cap is not there. J cap is coming as 0.6 and here it will be 0.8. So, appadina I into, again here it is 0 only, minus J cap. So, now this will be removed. So, you will be having 0.1 into 0.8 minus what will happen after that? 0. Okay. Then plus K cap into what we have? 0.1 into 0.6. Okay, correct. Minus 0. Purinjada. So now, yes, I understood. Okay. So now we will be getting this. Adikappuram, once you get this value, you can multiply it with 2 ampere will give you the answer. Okay, va? So, ipa we will be getting there as 0. Yes, 0.06 and into 2 will be 0.12 J cap, and here it will be 0.1 into 0.8, it will be coming as 0.08 into 2 will be minus. So, option A is going to be the right answer. 0.1 now. Because this is given 10 centimeter, right? So, we need to convert, correct? 10 centimeter will be converted into meter. புரிஞ்சுதா? எல்லாருமே லைக் மறக்காம போட்டுக்கோ. ஓகே, target achieve ஆச்சு. We are going to set the next target 200. Okay, let us go for the next question. Ready ah? Ready na fire போட்டுக்கோ. Ready na fire. Instant ah வரணும். Instant ah fire. It is B. Okay, okay, again mistake. Because this term will be K cap and this will be J cap. Perfect, perfect. Option B is the right answer. Yes, yes, I'm getting a lot of fire, lot of energy. Yes, 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 yes. Few new people are there. Manasa is there. Then SK Hari is there. Yes, 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 yes. So Anjana, as I mentioned, in the lack of confidence, they are not going to give you anything. Okay, so confident face paniko. There is no other way. I mean, we cannot escape, right? Okay, we cannot escape from it. We have to face it. Adanala, just ignore all the panic situation, negativities, everything. Face panda. That's it. Okay, yes. So we are going for the next question. A coil has 100 turns, each of area is 0.05 meter square. Total resistance 1.5. It is inserted at an instant in a magnetic field of 90 millitesla with its axis parallel to the field. The charge induced in the coil at that instant. The charge induced. Yes, I'm getting the energy, guys. Fine. Now you can do the questions. Okay. Okay, idukapram we can just go for a 5 minutes of break. Adukapram we can just again continue. Okay, in the question kapram we can go for the break because I need to take some water. Okay, refreshment. Yeah. Tomorrow we are doing Sanjana. ஆனா வந்து டைம் லிமிட்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஏன்னா I wanted to give some self study time also. Okay, 11 o'clock I will start. Okay, by 5-6 I will stop. அதுக்குள்ள மேஜரா revision and all the formulas and also the what to say the major problems I wanted to give. I wanted to do in the class. Okay, so அதனால I'm not I am not telling you like I will do all the questions, all the type of questions. Adu vandu time limit illa, if it is possible, I will do it. Okay? Yes, many people are getting the answer. Okay, so if a coil has a turns 100 turns, area is given, total resistance is given, it is inserted at an instant of the magnetic field 90 millitesla with its parallel to it, the charge induced. The charge induced kandupidikkiradhukaga we can say I is equal to Q by T. Appadina charge na enna guys? Charge na enna? Charge will be coming as I into delta T and I will be coming as induced EMF into delta T divided by R into delta T. Ipo vanda we should know the induced EMF. Induced EMF for equation enna? N into delta phi by delta T. Okay, and we have again here we have a delta T and R. Okay va? Correct ah? Yes, perfect. So appadina Q will be equal to, in the delta T will be gone, N by R, and this is nothing but B dot A. Now you have all the values. B is there, A is there, N is there, R is there. Apply and find it. Yes, marakama like paniko everybody. மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணிக்கோ. அண்ட் ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் வந்து டெய்லி நைட்ல வீடியோ, we are doing a video. ஸோ அதில் வந்து ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் இருக்கும். இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஆல் ஃபார்முலாஸ், லோஸ், டெஃபினேஷன்ஸ், எவ்ரி திங் ஐ எம் எக்ஸ்பிளைனிங் ஆல்சோ. ஓகே, அதனால மறக்காம யூ ஷுட் அட்டெண்ட் த செஷன். ஆல்சோ டவுன்லோட் த பிடிஎஃப். எக்ஸாமுக்கு லெட்ஸ் 1 ஹவருக்கு முன்னாடி யூ கேன் ஜஸ்ட் கோ த்ரூ த பிடிஎஃப். ஓகே, புரிஞ்சுதா? ஃபைன். Okay, so N வந்து 100, resistance வந்து 1.5, B na 90 into 10 to the power minus 3, area na yes 0.05. So இதுதா வந்து what you need to do. So after this you will be getting the answer. Okay, everybody is getting option B. Okay, fine. So இப்போ வந்து we are going for a small break. Okay va? So இப்போ வந்து 6:37. So we can do one thing, we can back at, okay. Will it be okay? Okay, ba? Okay. So drink plenty of water, be ready and come back at 6:45 sharp. Okay. Fine. Understood? Okay, 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 okay. Yes, 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 fine. So let us meet at 6:45. I'll come in a minute. Okay. So see. hello. So everybody is talking about the exam. As I mentioned, no, if you are just taking a lot of tension about this exam, nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. And it is easy for me to tell all those things. Analum, I have to tell you, don't be so much tensed. Okay, let it be. Anyway, we have to face. Correct? Okay, exam vande easier, difficult. We have to face. So let us face. Okay, va? Let us continue. Let us continue. So, we have a bar magnet is initially at right angles to uniform magnetic field. The magnet is rotated till the torque acting on becomes 1/2 of its initial value. The angle through which the bar magnet is rotated. Okay. Okay. What is the angle? So guys, don't forget to like. Okay. For motivation, you should give more likes. And the 200 வந்து அவ்ளோ பெருசான ஒரு டார்கெட்டே இல்ல. ஓகேவா? So அதனால மறக்காம you should like and subscribe. Okay, as I mentioned, subscribe. If you are subscribing till your Neet preparation, we will be with you. புரிஞ்சுதா? Okay, so இந்த மாதிரி we will do, as I mentioned, Neetக்காக again 10x 100x வந்து we are going to do. Okay வா? Yes, Radhika, thank you so much. Okay, so இப்போ வந்து இந்த question, how we will be doing the question? Okay, I can see, so when I'm asking the likes, no, I can see on the right side lots of hearts are coming. Okay, so I can understand that. Thank you so much. So இப்போ வந்து we are going for this question. Okay, let us think about the rest of the things later. Okay, now focus. இப்போ வந்து bar magnet இருக்கு, அதுல வந்து it is at right angle. Okay, அப்படினா torque வந்து maximum. கரெக்டா? torque வந்து maximum. Correcta? Yes or no? Correcta? Okay. So now the magnet is rotated till the torque acting on it becomes half. So let us say the maximum torque வந்து mb. M cross b sin theta da. Maximum வந்து mb. Correcta? இப்போ வந்து what is the value? Half mb. புரிஞ்சுதா? Okay. Formula sheet in the session அப்புறம் you will be getting a session at 8:30. அதுல வந்து formula sheet, laws, definitions எல்லாமே இருக்கு. புரிஞ்சுதா? வெங்கடாஜலம். Okay? Yes, I'm getting the answers. So how to do it? So இது வந்து half ஆயிடுச்சு. So we can say that mb sin theta அப்படினா mb will go half is equal to sin theta. When will become sin theta 1/2? When will become sin theta? When theta is equal to 30 degree. So we can say the problem is sorted. Okay? Yes. So இப்போ வந்து again case study. Okay va? So again you can just read this part. அதுக்கப்புறம் we can just do the questions. Okay, yes, very good. Nirmal, Anush, everybody, super. Yes, Kishore, Emmanuel, yes, Radhika, perfect. Sandra, Manasa, PJ, yes, perfect. Now let us go for this. இப்போ வந்து a thin lens is there. Okay, it is a lens is a transparent optical medium is bounded by two surfaces. At least one should be spherical. Okay, va? Applying the formula for image formation by single spherical surface successively at the two surfaces of a lens, one can obtain the lens maker's formula and then lens formula. A lens has foci called first focal point and second focal point of the lens, one on each side. Okay, so now let us go for the first question. Consider the arrangement shown in the figure. இதுதான் வந்து arrangement. Okay, இதுதான் வந்து arrangement. We have an arrow upwards and we have a ball pen with a pen, or let's say a rod with a ball at one end. So அப்படினா we can say when the plate is illuminated, its real image is formed on the screen. Which one will be correct? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, Magesh. Okay. Okay, so now tell me, answer is coming as option C. Yeah, we know that it will be the convex lens, it will be producing inverted image. Okay, and there is no horizontal inversion. Adanala directa we can give the answer as option C. Yeah, na ippidida irundichu. So after the image which we will be getting will be inverted. Adanala upward arrow will become downward. Ana there is nothing is going to happen with the horizontal one. Now, which of the following statement is incorrect? Which of the following statement is incorrect? Which of the following statement is incorrect? Very good, Sanjana, very good. Okay, now tell me the answer for this question. Tell me. What is going to be the answer for this question? Read the statements and tell me the answer. Quicker you can give it. Yes. Very good. Perfect. So in the first sentence, for a convex mirror, magnification is always positive. Adu vandu incorrect. And always in the madri question, just check whether it is given incorrect or correct. Yena, we are in a pressure cooker. So when we read, instead of incorrect, you will read correct. First statement is correct. Okay, option A, correct answer. And the madri, don't do it. Okay. Yes, Sarvesh. Perfect. Okay, now I'm getting a teacher over here, right? You already learned and you came here. Okay, marakama like paniko 200 tha nama target, 200 target. Okay, and the distance avlo distance illa. Okay, we can make it happen. A convex lens of focal length f is cut into two equal parts perpendicular to the principal axis. Okay, so perpendicular to the principal axis na ippidida we are going to cut. Then the focal length of each part will be Zoom. Oh my god. This option irukku. Yes, I worked it out. Oh shit. Trapped. Okay. Okay, now tell me what is going to be the answer. Why this is coming here? Okay, let it be. Okay, fine, sorted. Yeah, so now we can say that the answer will be option B. Option A, it will be coming as option A. Yeah, whenever we are cutting this perpendicular to the surface also, and the radius of curvature correct, somehow I managed. I was praying to God. Okay, yeah. So, what happened? Yes, we have the focal length. And we are cutting perpendicular to it. Adanala in the, we know 1 by f na refractive index minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So, ippadi cut pannumbodu there is no change in the radius. Okay, va? That is the reason. Purinjada? Okay, so adanala f remains f. It is not going to change. Yena radius of curvature is not changing. Okay, ippadi cut pannuna, then it will change. Okay. So ipa we are going for the third question. If an object is in case above is 20 centimeter from the lens and the screen is 50 centimeter away from the object, the focal length of the lens used. Focal length of the lens used. Can you find it, guys? Can you find it? Which formula we will use? Which formula you will use? One by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Can you go for it? Can you go for it? Yes. Perfect. Okay, so appadina you can just substitute the values and you just read this 50 centimeter away from the object. Okay, this is away from the object. So whenever you are choosing the distance, be careful. Be careful. So u will be coming as 20 centimeter. Adu vandu negative da. V will be coming as 30 centimeter. Okay, so now you can find the focal length. It's going to be easy. Can you do the calculation now? Yes or no? Yes, yes. Do the sign also. Put the sign also. Do the calculation. What happened in the previous question? The focal length of each part will be. Okay, 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 okay. Yes, this will be 2f only. Whatever you said is correct. Okay, this will be 2f. So when it is cutting parallel, then it will be remain same. Okay, va? So in the question lab, we are going to apply 1 by 30 minus 1 by minus 20. So you can find the f. What you are getting? Yes, 12 centimeter. Perfect. Okay, so you are getting 12 centimeter. Now we are going for the next question. The distance of an object from first focal point of a biconvex lens is x1. Okay, listen, the distance from the object first focal point of a biconvex lens is x1. Appadina you should tell me what is going to be u. Okay, okay. We have already done, Sivam, we have already done. So derivations I'm not going to do again. Because now if you are started doing derivations, now all the time we have to spend it for that only. Okay, already we did all the derivations in each chapters. Okay, next one we left a few easy small chapters. Adu one we will be discussing in the marathon session. Okay, va? So in the u one the x1 plus f1. So adu one the same markum because idu one the biconvex lens, and in the distance one the negative. Next one the object distance. Object distance na from the second focal length. Appadina f plus x2, that is going to be the v. Now the thing is like you should find the focal length. Again you can go for the same equation. Okay. Again you can just go for 1 by f minus 1 by u. You can just apply this. Instead of u, you can go for minus of x1 plus f, and for u you can, v, you can go for f plus x2. Can you substitute and can you find it? For each chapter we have done. Okay, you can go for the Sunday and to Monday session. We have done that. So guys, don't forget to like again and again. 200 the target. We need few likes. Few likes only required. So you guys can do it now. Lots of people are not even done. Okay. So let us do it. Okay. So we are going for substituting this value. So 1 by f which is equal to what is going to be that? 1 by f1 plus x2 minus 1 by x1 plus f, and this is going to be plus. Purinjida? So you guys are getting C. Yes. If it is C. Okay. So 1 by f will be, should I do this? Is it required? So while we are doing this, we will be getting root of x1, x2. Okay, va? Okay, va? Okay, this is a very simple calculation. Now let us go for the next question. A beaker is filled with water of refractive index 4/3 up to a height h. A coin is placed at its bottom. The depth of the coin where the view along the near normal direction will be. Can you find it? Can you find it? No, Sanjana, there is no option. That only will come. Okay. So now tell me, what is the equation for this question? What the equation? What is the equation? Yes, we know refractive index is nothing but real depth divided by apparent depth. In the apparent depth in the question like it, so it will be real depth into divided by mu. Appadina we will be getting h divided by 4/3, so that will be 3/4. Very good student 1, 2. Now we are going for the next question. The focal length of a concave mirror in air is f. When the mirror is immersed in liquid of refractive index 5/3, its focal length will become. Can you do it? The focal length of a concave mirror in air is f. Okay, in air it is f. So what is going to be the answer for this one? What will happen to the focal length? Guys, marakama like panniko. Again, we need few. And marakama subscribe panniko. And as I mentioned, the kaparam chemistry classes, physics sorry. Once we complete physics, we are straightly going for chemistry. Okay, va? Yes. D. Yena, we know that in the focal length order equation, the mu minus 1 into 1/r1 minus 1/r2. Correcta? So, it is depending upon the refractive index of the lens. Okay, refractive index of the lens. It is not depending upon the surroundings. Adanala we can say the answer will be the same. F will be the answer. Ipo you should read this. Okay, I'm not going to read it. You will read it. Then we can go for the first question. Understand this case, then go for the question. Yes, again, like you are doing too much, guys, too much to me. It's hurting. So, the first question, can't see. So, I have to read. Oh my God. So, the extrinsic semiconductor are made by doping pure or intrinsic semiconductors with suitable impurity. Fine, okay. There are two types of dopants used for doping. Silicon or germanium are used for the p-type and n-type semiconductor can be obtained. A p-n junction is the basic building block of many semiconductor devices. Okay, many semiconductor devices. Two important processes occur during the formation of p-n junction is diffusion and drift. When such junction is formed, a depletion layer is created consisting of immobile iron core. This is responsible for a junction potential barrier. The width of a depletion layer and the height of the potential barrier changes when a junction is forward biased or reverse biased. A semiconductor diode is basically a p-n junction with metallic contacts provided at the ends of the application of an external voltage. Using diodes, alternating voltage can be rectified. Okay, so yeah, I'm getting the answers. Which of the following is a donor impurity for donor impurity na? Okay, donor impurity na. Tell me, what is donor impurity? Adu vanda pentavalent irukkanum, correcta? So pentavalent na we can just go for idhula vanda antimony da answer. Okay, hence option B is the answer. Purinjida? Yes, Darshu, perfect. Now let us go for the next question. During the formation of p-n junction, which statement is correct? Which statement is correct in this? Third, trivalent. Adnalata. What is this nation? I can't understand. Okay, now tell me, what is going to be the answer? During formation of p-n junction. Which option is going to be correct? A layer of negative charge on n side and a layer of positive charge on p side. No. Okay. It is actually during p-n junction formation. A layer of positive charge on n side and a layer of negative charge on p side. That is correct. The electrons on p side of a junction moves to n side initially. Okay. So that is also again wrong. Initially diffusion current is smaller than, no. Initially diffusion current the large. Okay. Hence option B is the right answer. Now in reverse bias p-n junction. In reverse biased p-n junction. Can you give me the answer? That is over. It is not D, it is B. Now we can go for this one. Reverse bias. Reverse bias p-n junction. p-n junction la initially the diffusion current the major. Okay. I mean the value of drift current is going to be very small. When it comes to the end, then will be drift current and this diffusion current will become equal. Yes. In reverse bias p-n junction, the reverse bias, okay. Drift current is of the order of few milliampere. Wrong. It is in microampere. When I took the VI characteristics, I have clearly mentioned to you. Correct? This is microampere. So, it's not correct. The applied voltage mostly drop across the depletion region. That is correct. Okay. The depletion region width increases. It will increase, not decrease. The current increases. No, that is also wrong. Now the output frequency of a full wave rectifier with 50 Hz as an input frequency for a full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier. Give me the answer. Quickly you can give me the answer. It is an easy question. You can give me the answer. And marakama like panniko. You are getting lots of good questions, right? Yes. So 50 Hz da. So appadina output ennagum. Output ennagum. Simple. Very good. How it is? For the half wave only same frequency. In the full wave it is going to be twice. Frequency of input, output will be 2 times frequency of input. Purinjida? Yes, very good. Marakama like paniko everybody. So now we are going for the next question. The threshold voltage of silicon diode is 0.7 volt. It is operated at this point by connecting the diode in series with a battery of V volt and a resistor of 1000 ohm. Find the value of V when the current drawn is 15 milliampere. Okay. So we know that the threshold voltage is given as 0.7. Okay, va? Next it is operated and the battery V volt, what is that? The resistance is 1000 ohms. Okay, and you need to find the voltage when the current is 15 milliampere. Sanjay, I am not the one who is preparing the question paper, right? So the thing is like you should understand one thing. Once you are studied, okay, in the question paper NCERT based. Okay, NCERT if you know, you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, and questions practice பண்றது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஏனா அந்த questionஐ எப்படி approach பண்றது, I mean to know how to approach that question, அதுக்காக there is no other way. No magic, no shortcuts. Okay va? Okay. Third question in case based. This one, output frequency. Samhita, you are asking about this question. No, this is in milliampere. Milliampere is in forward biased. Okay, forward biased. This will be microampere in reverse bias. I have already told you when I took the session, I have clearly mentioned because most of the students will be get confused over there. Okay, milliampere lata in the forward bias, microampere lata in the reverse bias. Purinjida Samhita? Okay. Marakam everybody like, and also after this we have a session explaining all the laws, definitions, everything, and you will be getting the PDF also. Marakam, and the PDF you have to download. Purinjida? Okay. So how we will be solving this question. We know that we will be used for two purposes. What are the two purposes? In the diode as well as through the resistor. Okay va? So இப்போ இந்த diode ஓட potential na 0.7 plus I na 15 into 10 to the power minus 3 R na 10 to the power 3. So அப்படினா what we will be getting 0.7 plus 15 15.7 is going to be the answer. And the excitement irukkanum, and the excitement irukkanum. Okay, got the answer everybody? Yes or no? In the questions mudiyum bodhu in the class end pannu. Okay, we have very few questions only, don't have to worry about it. Okay, very few questions. Can we go for the next question? Can we go for the next question? Ready na? You have to give me a fire in the chat box. Fire venum in the chat box la. Ready na? Fire everybody. Yes Anush, yes, perfect. Yes, everybody is ready. Perfect. Let us go for it. In the question la nothing is there da. Here threshold voltage of silicon is given. Okay, threshold voltage on the diode la irukra voltage drop da 0.7. It is operated at this point by connecting a diode in series with a battery of V volt and a resistor of 100 ohm. Okay, so we have given a potential. Okay va, we have given a potential and the potential vandu used for two purpose. Okay va, we know that we have studied the Kirchhoff loop rule. What we are saying, the potential we have given consumed completely by the external whatever we have connected with it. So ipo vandu I have given V volt. Okay, adu vandu utilized for two purposes. What are the two purposes? One is for the diode. Okay, there will be a potential drop in the diode. Second one is through the resistor. So I can say that whatever I have given utilized by these two people. Okay, so VD plus IR is going to be the total voltage. This is in series, correct? So appadina I can say VD potential drop is directly given 0.7 and current is given 15 milliampere is given. Okay, resistance through that, the resistance is 1000. You will be applying this. Done. Okay va? Okay Sanjana, understood? Let us go for the next question. Which of the following rays coming from the sun plays an important role in maintaining earth warmth? Yes, tell me. Very simple question. Very simple question. Greenhouse effect, infrared. So I'm going for the next question. So next one, the instantaneous current and voltage of an AC circuit are given by I is equal to 10 sin 314 t ampere, and I'll write here. Okay, I is nothing but 10 sin 314 t ampere. V is 50 sin 314 t plus pi by 2 volt. Appadina you should find the power, the true power. Yes, very good. True power oda equation enna? IRMS VRMS cos phi. Can you find the answer and can you give me the answer in the chat box? Yes. Paravaillada, what you studied adela concentrate panniko, illana adu kuda you cannot remember. Purinjida? Yes. AC chapter வந்து simple-ஆன chapter da. Okay, don't skip it. If you know something, just give 30 more minutes. That will help you. Practice problems, revise the chapters, do the derivations in the last 24 hours vandu crucial. Okay, adu vandu crucial da. Okay, the things which you have studied, adile work panniko. Okay va? So idhula answer sollu. What is the answer for this? So IRMS na, we know the peak value is coming as 10. So 10 by root 2. VRMS na 50 divided by root 2. Cos phi na, what is the phase difference? Inga omega t plus pi by 2. So cos pi by 2. Okay. What is cos pi by 2? 0. So இப்போ வந்து இது வந்து inductive or capacitive circuit இருக்கும் அதனால தான் 0 புரிஞ்சுதா புரிஞ்சுதா very good very good very good yes Darshu Veda yes 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 if you are asking me I wanted to clear this okay if you are asking me what are the chapters we have to study I'm telling you electrostatics the first 2 chapters current electricity moving charges ray optics semiconductor dual nature if you have the 6 chapters if you have studied properly not like I have studied the formula I want to get the full mark no okay if you have studied the 6 chapters now as per the previous question paper analysis you will definitely get 50 plus mark adudha weightage varadu okay and pattern vantu I mean it can be changed at any moment there is no consistently like this is the pattern of CBSE board exam no such criteria புரிஞ்சுதா புரிஞ்சுதா so அதனால தான் சொல்றேன் everybody if you are just focusing on few chapters and the chapters வந்து complete you have to study okay adillamma like formula I have studied some of the laws I didn't even practice the questions adu work agadu okay 55 marks or 50 plus marks kadaikanona and the chapters vandu avlo I mean perfect you should study okay then you will get it as again in the pattern vandu I mean it can change at any moment okay understood adu vandu like competition irukano illa Sanjana competition illana like it is not going to be well okay so illana every student will be equally everyone will be getting the same marks adu vandu it is not perfect right I mean it is not going to work right okay we need to find the toppers so toppers kaga in the roasting in the grilling everything has to happen okay so adula vandu you don't need to even think much okay what you studied that is okay all are equal da ana you should understand one thing okay I am a student you are also a student okay listen here okay I am a student you are a student I am studying day night I am working really hard okay ana vandu what you have done you didn't study it properly ana marks varumbodhu both of us should get same marks adu vandu it is not equality correct equality na I mean like me how I mean those who have studied like me they should get the equal score okay va so adu dhaan the ideology purinjadada okay 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 PYQ la irundha again I want to give you a clarity about PYQ I was supposed to take a video about it because everybody is thinking like PYQ will save us no PYQs la vandu few derivations will repeat okay adu correct few derivations vandu consistent it will ask if you are just checking on last 10 year or 15 year adukulla you can find few questions is repeated okay ana vandu you know last years illa in the derivation oda I mean the weightage vandu reduce aachu adanal even that derivations can't give you pass mark purinjiko okay adukku I mean they are not giving to I mean even if you know all the derivations everything and the marks kuda you I mean you won't be getting the what to say in the Tamil English ellame mix panni I can't even talk now okay so ipo vandu I wanted to tell you is ellame pochu potu okay let's continue so idu purinjirucha everybody understood this one okay va tell me adukku nalla padikano Nitish nothing else is required PYQs I'm not telling you PYQs are not necessary or something okay PYQs you should do yen on the pattern you should know okay and I mean what are the topics usually vandu in the questions kekra you have to follow that okay PYQs na mandatory ena adu vandu practice okay and the question eppadi approach pandrathu adukku I mean you should do that otherwise you won't be getting the flow how to approach these questions at least you should do some 25-30 questions then only you will get the approach adukaga PYQs na mandatory okay va like panniko share panniko subscribe panniko now we are going for the another question okay so in the question la enna kettitirke the figure shows a plot of 1 by root v versus v okay va sorry where v is the accelerating potential and d Broglie wavelength so what we have plotted 1 by root v and lambda அப்படினா we have two particles having same charge, Q same da, but different masses M1 and M2. Which line A or B represent the particle of greater mass? Can you find it for me? Can you find it for me? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me guys. Can you find it for me? Yesterday's question paper was nice. Very good. You have done it, right? Yes or no? Yes, perfect. We know the relation lambda which is equal to root of 2mqv. So, now I am just writing h divided by root mq into 1 by root v. So, that is in the graph. Lambda versus 1 by root v. Purinjida. So, அப்படினா in the slope enna guys? Slope of the graph. Yesterday we did the same type of question. Correct? So, இதோட slope enna guys? இதோட slope enna? What is the solution? What is the solution for this? Let me check, Sanjana. Let me check. As I mentioned, konjam time vandu konjam limited da. Okay. Idukapra few more videos I have to take for you people. And tomorrow vandu 11 o'clock and the session start agum. Adukoda preparations irukku. Questions set pannano. So adanala vandu konjam busy ah irukku. Mudinja I will definitely give you the solution. Okay? Okay? So ipo vandu this is what the slope. Okay va, h by root of 2mq. Idhula vandu 2 constant da, q constant da, h constant da. So ipo vandu in the slope is proportional to 1 by root m. Now can you just give me the answer for it? Slope is given. More slope, less mass. Very good, Nitesh. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. So அப்படினா இதல வந்து highest mass வந்து B. புரிஞ்சுதாடா? Understood? Like. If you understood, give me likes, more likes. Okay? Okay? Let us go for it. Yes, perfect. Similar type question we have done yesterday. An alpha particle and proton of the same kinetic energy are in turn allowed to pass through a magnetic field B acting normal to the direction of motion of a particle. Calculate the ratio of radii of circular path described by them. So, ipo vanda you should tell me what is going to be R. The radius oda equation enna? Radius oda equation enna? We know magnetic field chapter. Tell me what is going to be the radius? What is going to be the radius? Correcta? Correcta? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Yes, perfect, Darshu. So, ipo vandu what we need to find the radius, the ratio of the circular path, and idhula vandu it is given same kinetic energy. Okay, same kinetic energy na I can say half into the mass of alpha into V of alpha, which is equal to half into mass of proton and velocity of proton square. Ipo vandu half gone. Okay, I'm going to do one more thing. Ipo vandu I'm just going to multiply and divide with m alpha. Okay, in the mass of alpha vandu I'm going to multiply and divide. So I'll be getting square over here and I have to write m alpha also. Correcta? Yes or no? Idu vandu correcta? Okay, so அப்படினா இங்க we will be having mass of proton and velocity of proton. அது கூட we will be having this one. புரிஞ்சுதாடா? Understood everybody? Okay? Okay? Perfect. So அப்படினா we can just take the ratio. M alpha V alpha divided by MP by VP will be coming as M alpha by MP all to the power 1 by 2. Correct or wrong? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes or no? So, ipo vandu I'm going to do R alpha divided by RP. So, adukkaga M alpha V alpha divided by charge of alpha into B. Okay, divided by charge of proton into B divided by MP VP. BB will be get cancelled. Ipo vandu M alpha V alpha divided by MP VP and here we have QP divided by Q alpha. So ipo vandu in the value na enna guys? In the value na enna? M alpha by MP all to the power 1 by 2. So what is the ratio of this mass? What is going to be the ratio of mass? M alpha by MP. Tell me guys, everybody, what is going to be the value? What is going to be the value? இது வந்து 4, I mean the mass வந்து the ratio வந்து 4 தான், so we have to keep the root. Okay, and இப்போ வந்து இந்த charge na என்ன? Charge QP by Q alpha, it will be coming as 1 by 2 na, it will be coming as 1. So 1:1 is the ratio. Okay, root 4 na, so it will be coming as root 4 will be 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 will be 1. So ratio will be 1:1. Purinjada? Got it? How are you getting 2:1? Mass order ratio. Okay. So இப்போ வந்து we have done with all the questions. Okay va? So next வந்து tomorrow 11 o'clock everyone should come. I am planning for a 5 to 6 hours of session. And the session la வந்து as I mentioned எல்லா chapter ஓட quick revision இருக்கும் and questions கூட we are going to do it. அது வந்து it will boost your confidence. அதுக்காக everyone should be there in the session. Okay va? Everyone should be there in the session. Correcta you should come at what time? What is the timing? What is the timing? What is the timing? What is the timing? 11 a.m. So you should come. We will study together and with lots of confidence we will go for the exam. Okay, இந்த tension எல்லாம் இருக்கும் எனக்கு தெரியும். ஆனா வந்து அந்த tension எல்லாம் you should say, I mean அந்த எக்ஸாமுக்கு அப்புறம் வாடா, we don't disturb me. Okay, அப்படிதான் you should tell. Okay, இப்போ வந்து you have studied something. Okay, அதுல confident இருந்துக்கோ. Okay, அந்த confidence-னால you can write the exam properly. புரிஞ்சதாடா? Okay வா? Okay வா? All set na, give me a fire in the chat box. Give me a fire in the chat box, everybody. Okay na? Full set na, give me a fire. Yes Agash, Nitish, yes Sanjana. Yes. So மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணிக்கோ, ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோ, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோ, டெலிகிராம் சேனல்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோ. ஏன்னா அதுல வந்து அப்டேட்ஸ் இருக்கும். அண்ட் இதுக்கப்புறம் பிசிக்ஸோட கிளாஸுக்கு அப்புறம் you will be getting chemistry class, biology class, அதுக்கப்புறம் neet classes, everything will be there. Yes, we are on fire guys. So tomorrow we are going to crack and day after tomorrow we will do what we can. Okay, we can do it and we will do it. Okay va? So see you guys. See you in the next class tomorrow sharp 11 a.m. we will start. Till then, bye. Good night. Have a good sleep and revise this properly. Okay. So what are the questions you made have the confusion? You should do it again. Okay va? So see you guys. Bye.